Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create then and now trend video in CapCut. Okay, here I have created a project on my CapCut. This is the project that I have just created, and I'm going to open it. And if you want to create a then and now video, you have to add a then and now transitions to your clips, and you can click on the transition button right here, and you're going to select overlay category. Tap on the overlay category, and you're going to select then and now. Okay, and you can adjust the duration right here. You can go right or go left to adjust the duration, and don't forget to click on apply to all to apply this transition to all your clips. Okay, and now the transition has been applied to all clips, and we can click on this check mark button. Okay, and now let's just take a look at the final result. Okay, this is the result, guys. Alright guys, and that's how we can create a then and now trend video. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next tutorial.